Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the language in your crypto wallet on the Nash app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Nash app, then go to the settings menu, which is in the bottom right corner, and in the settings menu you will have to go to the profile and security section and to the preferences. And when you tap on preferences, the second option is going to be actually the language option. And when you tap on it, you can choose between these two languages right now on the app, which is available for me now. I'm not sure if they have different options in different countries, but yeah, right now for me, I have English and Netherlands. So yeah, that's pretty much it, how you can change the language. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.